Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a gimbal stabilizer selfie stick tripod. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a selfie stick tripod from the company Asnoty, and this is the model Q08. And the good thing about this selfie stick is it's not only a selfie stick, but it also has a gimbal built into it, meaning that you're gonna get that smooth, anti-shake, video with this selfie stick. And it's a selfie stick and it's also a tripod, so if you wanted to, you can use it as like a vlogging stick, or you can use it as a tripod to shoot, certain scenarios or certain events with this tripod. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like. And if you know anybody who may be interested in some sort of selfie stick tripod, make sure you share this video out to them so they can get more specifications and details about this product right here. And then lastly, if you guys want to get detailed specifications and parameters, stuff will be down below in the description for those who are wanting to get more details about this product, and also with the link to make a purchase if you're actually interested in buying this exact model that we're reviewing today. We're all going to move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. Packaging's really nice. There's a lot of specifications and details on the side of the box, which we are going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. So on the front of the box, we have the model name right here, which is the Q08, and we have a visual representation of the selfie stick itself. And you guys can see it just says portable stabilizer, and there's a few specifications and details on the bottom. And yeah, and then on the back side, there's just a few different parameters that they give and explain off in the back. And it looks like you can actually get this in white. So if you wanted it, you can also get this in white. In our case, we have it in black. And there's just a few specifications on this side as well. But let's actually just proceed with the unboxing of this selfie stick. So let me open up this flap, pull it out, and take it out of this bag. So this is everything that's actually included with the packaging of this selfie stick. We obviously have our user manual, and this is just like warranty explanation, giving you some warranty details if you want to get warranty of this product. We also get a USB Type A to micro USB cable that we can utilize when charging up this selfie stick. But now let's actually take a look at the main part of this packaging, which is the selfie stick itself. And you guys can see it comes in a very nice and stylish design. We got ours in black. And there's also a gold accent on the side right here that makes it look really presentable. And to extend the selfie stick, all you gotta do is kind of lift this part up. And you guys can see now it's fully extended. We also have our detachable remote, Bluetooth remote when we want to use to take pictures and stuff that's already built in or pre-attached to the selfie stick, which I'll show you guys when we test it out. But overall, it looks really nice. This is our 360 lock. So if we wanted this to actually stop using the gimbal, we can lock it, its positioning, and it won't, do any spins and stuff. And then obviously on this side right here, we actually have the button to actually power on the gimbal to use the anti-shake capability that this selfie stick has to offer. But overall, I love the presentation. We also have our DC or micro USB port to charge up this selfie stick when it needs charging. And I do recommend you fully charge it when you do use it the first time. So overall, it looks really nice, and I love that you can easily just collapse it and easily take it on the go and keep it in a very portable form so you can easily store it away and use it for next time. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is actually show you guys the selfie stick capabilities. So let me actually extend it out like this and keep it like that for now. And in order to actually use this as a selfie stick, all I gotta do is actually pull on the bottom right here and it should extend. And you guys can see, now we have this selfie stick extended. And obviously if I had my phone on, I can have my phone right here and use this as a traditional selfie stick. And you guys can see, it covers a pretty large distance. I can't actually fit in my camera's angle, but you guys kind of get the point. And then also another good feature about this selfie stick tripod is it is also a tripod. So if I wanted to use this as a tripod, all I gotta do is open up these legs right here, just like that, and push down. And now I can use this as a tripod. And then if I wanted to, I can actually extend it, to those heights that I just showed you guys. I'm gonna attach my phone in. And I like this selfie stick because they actually built in the phone holder into the selfie stick itself. I know some selfie sticks, they make you like attach another phone holder into it. But with this, they actually pre-attached it or built it in to the selfie stick. So let me just put my phone in, extend that. So in order to turn on this gimbal, we have a power button on the backside, and you need to just hold it down. Okay, I have the gimbal on. So it looks like we have it in portrait mode. So there we go. And now hold it down again. So now we have it in horizontal mode or landscape. So you guys can see, you can actually use this selfie stick in portrait mode or in landscape. And now we actually have the gimbal on, and I'm going to show you guys what this gimbal can do. So look at it. Now I can move back and forth, and you guys can see my phone's not really swaying off to the side. I can do all these cool little transitions, and it's keeping the phone really stable. Look at that. Hold it upside down. Look at that. And I can use it as a selfie stick too. So if I wanted to, I can extend this like I showed you guys. And now if I was going to use this as a selfie stick, it's going to keep my shots very stabilized. And look at that. It's not really moving around. It's a lot better if I was, using my hands to film. So it's going to, get rid of a lot of anti-shake. And especially if your phone has like anti-shake or like very stable mode, you can also turn that on to really get that really dynamic, strong effect as if you were using like some sort of professional gimbal. So it's really sick that this selfie stick has a built-in gimbal. And now I have this selfie stick in portrait mode. So let's say I wanted to shoot like some TikToks or like Instagram lives, because with those devices or those services, most of the content's in portrait mode. So this tripod or this selfie stick can also go portrait mode for those devices or media sources, depending on whichever you're trying to capture. So one of my final opinions and remarks about this selfie stick from the company Asnoty. It's just a fantastic product if I do say so myself. It covers a lot of features that I feel like a lot of you guys can make use of. Think about it. A lot of people nowadays are using their cell phones to create content. But the issue is most of you guys don't have tripods, don't have stabilizers, don't have gimbals to really make your content look really presentable. And with this, you can really get that nice steady effect that you get in movies, TV shows, where like the camera can just move around and there's not really a lot of shaking. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. And if you did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and share this content out to anybody who may be interested in this selfie stick so they can get more specifications and details about it. If you're a business or a company wanting to work with me, or a business inquiries, email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you want to get more details, specifications, and parameters about this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more details about it, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in this portable mini anti-shake gimbal selfie stick tripod. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.